Okay, now we are going to study on tuples. So far we completed list type and we are going to study on the tuples. If you did not watch video on tuples and the number system, number types, you just go back to the playlist and have a look on the dedicated session. So without much delay, we will start on the tuples. So tuples are basically a same as list. Okay, that's what mentioned here. Tuples are same as list. Everything is same. Few changes. What are those changes? The changes are curly bracket. You see here, this is the curly bracket. You see here the curly bracket. In the list, we see the square bracket. That is the first change. Okay, change number 1. Second, they can be mix and match, just like a list. You see here, integer minus, this is a float, minus 1.2. This is once again integer, string, and complex, and once again integer. It's a mix and match, just like a list, but only the difference what you see right now, bracket, curly bracket. Now next point here is, since it is sequencing, just like a list, it is also sequencing means we come across indexing, we come across indexing system. That is this one, 0 1 2 3 4 5, from this direction, okay. From, if you're coming from other direction, reverse direction, it is -1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, those are indexing. So you can write the same pattern what you written in the list to extract the data. I'll show you on the programming window how exactly we can extract the data in this case as well. So this is the one point. Next is the difference is they are not mutable. This is very important. What do you mean by mutable? Not mutable means it's immutable, cannot be interchanged. So earlier what we did, we can change to here, or we can bring a new value here. That is not possible, here. So it is ruled out, it is not possible. So hence the indexes are freezed on that particular location, on that particular position itself. Hence it is, cannot be modified, hence it is a write protected data, hence faster to read by the system, because in the buffer always the indexes of for particular value, it is stored. Since it is not replacing, it is always be stored. Whenever you access quickly, it will retrieve the data from the system. So that is a little bit faster than the list, more efficient, but it has a certain advantages, certain disadvantages. Even list also certain advantages and certain disadvantages. We need to use these list as well and as tuples based on the need, based on the requirement. Let me go to programming window. I'll show you how exactly the mutable things work, and we'll try to replace any one value, whether it works or not. Let's check. See, right now this is the window, and here you see the information I written in the comment, which is the same I explained, and this is the tuple. This is called tuple. Okay, let me put on the comment. This is, sorry, in the tuple. Okay, this is tuple. So now let me print. You see here, this is the output. I'm going to use here curly bracket like this. Let's see what exactly it will give, whether it will give the result or it will give error. So it won't. So in this case we have to use a square bracket. Because it is you can see here the square bracket you have to use. This is the one more important point here. Whenever you wanted to indexing method, always you had to use a square bracket. put the value inside the square bracket. It is kind of array. I'll come to that word array and in detail in the next class, in the coming classes. So this is how it is. So let me put 0 and put here, it will give all. Let me put 3 and display, it will display from the third, this one position. So if I put minus 6, let's see what exactly it will give. Minus 6, it will give 0, I believe. So no, it is minus 6, 0 1 2, minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 minus 1 2 3 4 5 6 minus 6. So it will give you complete list. If I put 0 here, it won't show anything, nothing. It is, so you see here the curly bracket. Whenever you wanted to extract piece of data items from the tuples, the result will be tuples only. For example, you see here 2 colon 5. Okay, you see it will comes in the curly bracket 9 hello and minus 5j. So this is how the tuples are defined and this is how the tuples are extracted. Let me make a small experiment here. Let me try to put value interchanging value. So a square bracket 2 equals end equals to high. So what is the value? 0 1 2. So at the 9th position I want to replace by high. Okay, I want to replace the value of high. So let me see how exactly it works. Okay, now I'm going to print a. Let's see. You see here, this is the error. What exactly is telling? A for the 2 is high. Type error, tuple object does not support this item assignment. We are assigning high, assigning to this index that is not supporting by tuples. That's the what type error it shows. So I'm just showing you it. That's why these things are freezed index numbers. The index numbers are freezed and the values are freezed for this. Okay, so that's why they are write protected. Okay, so that is all about the tuples. Let's go into the next dataset type. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like the comment, put the comment if you like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.